Oh no! The recruiter asked you for a video resume. What do you do now? Like, what are you even supposed to say in a video resume? Well, fear not, I have all the answers. My name is Caio Sampaio, I'm a career expert and certified professional resume writer, and I'm here to teach you how to make a video resume. But let's get one thing out of the way first. Should you make a video resume? My suggestion is that you should only make one if the recruiter specifically asks you for that. In any other cases, it's best to send a traditional resume instead, as this is the type of document recruiters are more familiar with and allows them to check your application faster. Okay, but what if the job ad specifically asks you for a video resume, or maybe some other part of the recruitment process asks you for one? Well, let me show you an example of how that would look like, then I will break it down to tell you how you can create something similar. My name is Caio Sampaio. I'm a career expert and certified professional resume writer with 5 years of experience. I've worked in many industries ranging from the legal world to creative businesses. I've also lived in many countries like Portugal, Sweden, and Poland, allowing me to understand how recruitment works in several businesses and cultures. I've also written more than 500 articles on career advice and resume writing, which have been read by more than 20 million people from all over the world. Now my goal is to bring all this expertise to you. I want to combine insights gathered from all these experiences to provide unique advice that will help to advance my clients' careers. And this is my commitment. I am very thankful for the career that I've had, and it is my goal to help people find their dream job so they too have a reason to wake up in the morning. If all that sounds great, well, I'm looking forward to speaking with you so we can work together to unlock your professional potential. There you go, I hope you liked the example, and if you'd like to see more examples, feel free to read our full article on the topic. It was written by a certified professional resume writer and career expert. The link for you to read it will be in the description of this video below. Now, let's see what insights you can gather from the example that I just shared with you. So here are some extra tips. First, be sure to personalize it. Think of it as a conversation. You wouldn't talk the same way about the same things to every single person in your life, right? Well, the same thing goes for your video resume. To create something that recruiters will find more interesting, be sure to personalize what you say to reflect the needs of the job posting. Second, write a script. That will make it easier for you to remember everything and to adjust the wording for maximum clarity and impact. Also, always record in HD. Gone are the days of 360 or 480p. When pretty much every phone can record a video in HD, recruiters will certainly expect that kind of quality from you. Also, choose the right background. Ideally, you should choose a neutral background that doesn't have any distractions. Also, wear the right clothes. Avoid being too casual. Try to wear what you would wear for a job interview. And last but not least, be yourself. I understand that when given the chance to write a script, practice, and do multiple takes, it can feel very tempting to try and pretend to be something that you're not. Look, unless you are a professional actor, and still a pretty good one at that, odds are recruiters will see right through that. Your best bet is to just be yourself. And my final tip is for you to try the Tech Resume Builder. No, it will not let you make a video resume, but you will surely also need a traditional resume in some point of the recruitment process. So I would recommend that you use the Tech Resume Builder to create a resume in just a few minutes, following advice and suggestions tailored to your career and experience level. The link for you to try the Tech Resume Builder will be in the description of this video. Also, if you like this video, be sure to drop a like and to subscribe to the Tech YouTube channel. My name is Caio Sampaio and it was a pleasure to see you today. Until next time, take care.